All right, what's up? Welcome back, YouTube world. My name's Jorge. I'm doing the Ancestry DNA thing. I got the results today. A while ago, I made a video where I spit in the tube, but it was a bad video. So we're just gonna start over from the beginning right here. Tell you guys a little bit about myself. Born in Oklahoma. My parents are from Mexico. Um, my mom's from Chihuahua. My dad's from Monterrey, which is northern parts of Mexico. I did the Ancestry DNA just because, whatever, it was on sale or something like that, and I decided to do it. Wanted to do it for a long time, and finally got the results today. It's 4/20. What a great day, right? And let's find out what the results are. It didn't take too long either. It took like less than a month, I feel like, or maybe just about a month for the results to come in. I do have my wife here too. She's behind the camera, doesn't want to be on camera, which is understandable. But let's log in and see if we can figure out where I'm from. Oh, before we get the results, I was gonna go over maybe just some assumptions of what I could be, right? As far as DNA wise and how it works with the Ancestry DNA. Being Mexican American, whatever people want to call it, Chicano, I could safely assume that I have indigenous and European and possibly some African DNA. And that is just a guess. I actually don't know. I don't know what I got besides, possibly those three. So if I want to get super specific, it'd be like some type of native tribe through Central America to North America from Mexico. And then as far as the European part, it'd be Iberian Peninsula, either Spanish or Portuguese. And if it was any type of African, which is very possible, it would be Northern African, perhaps Morocco and stuff like that, because it's just so close to the Iberian Peninsula. And that's just an educated guess from seeing, with the world and everything. We'll go to that globe too if it gets real interesting. So let's log in and figure this out. All right, here we go. Let's see. Click DNA. Your results summary. Boom. All right, where's the map? Oh, there it goes. Ethnicity estimate. 32% Indigenous Americas, Mexico, 31% Spain, and 6 other regions. What the heck? All right, let's click on that, see what's going on. Dang, that's wild. Great news. Your results arrived. Boom. Ethnicity estimate may include 2 sorts of results. 32% Indigenous Americas, Mexico, Northern Mexico and South Texas, which is basically what I was just saying. All right, so let's go 31% Spain, 18% Portugal, 11% Basque, 3% Senegal, 2% Cameroon, Congo, Western Bantu, 2% Jewish, and 1% Greece, Albania. Dang, that's wild. That is a pretty good mix there. All right, it says here, you can explore any of your results in your DNA story, and it has the dates 1850 through 1875, and they have it titled Gaining Freedom, Losing Freedom. So northeastern Mexico, new towns in Texas and Mexico included Nuevo Laredo, Brownsville, and Edinburgh. They were established by people who wanted to live on the other side of the border that has suddenly been drawn at their feet. Mexican indentured servants and enslaved African Americans crossed the border in different directions, each seeking freedom. In the 1860s, President Porfirio Diaz vowed to modernize the north and enforce the law-brought governors, custom guards, and rural police to northern Mexico. The independent world that residents had known for decades had come to an end. Interesting. Shows very nice landscapes and stuff like that. So, wow, shows a lot of colors all over the globe here. No type of Asian stuff. That's pretty cool. No type of Pacific. But yeah, all right. Well, that's pretty interesting. It has a lot of concentrated areas there. Basically, exactly where I said. For as far as Mexico, and it has some areas up here like, let's click on that. It says Jewish, which is interesting. 2%. Yeah, 2%. That's not surprising. And then right here in this area, Greece and Albania, which also makes sense, but that says 1%. All right, so let's go in the Iberian Peninsula here with, of course, Spain as the second largest. It was 31%. But if you include Portugal with it, then that's actually a larger percent, 31 plus the 18, which is very interesting. Which I don't know why they didn't just include that together, but whatever, that's the website. Doesn't go too much into the Spain like it did with Mexico. Probably because it's mainly found in that DNA combo is probably mainly found in Mexico. That's my assumption. I don't know how this app does it. All right, let's go into Africa. That's really interesting. So we got parts of Central Africa and parts of West Africa, which is, I think that's very interesting. So the Senegal, you can understand that. It says 3%, and a lot of that Western Africa region made it to the Americas, which makes sense. But what I found interesting was that Central Africa, Cameroon, Congo stuff, the Bantu people, I didn't expect that. That's pretty cool. 2%. That's really cool. This is really cool. Here it breaks down what I inherited from one parent and what I inherited from another parent. Here it has that mainly I inherited a lot of that Portugal stuff from one parent, and then from another parent I inherited all of the Africa part. So that 5% Africa came from one parent, and that almost entire Portugal side came from another parent. And it's about even on the indigenous on each parent of what I inherited, which is pretty cool. And it has here, scroll down a little bit, is DNA communities, which, it has Mexico in it, of course. This is really cool. It says DNA matches 51,947. That's a lot. That's cool. All right, so we'll grab the globe here and show kind of where these areas are in case some of you guys. So, of course, there's Mexico. So the area that it said, it had like all of this highlighted, but these areas here along the Texas border and stuff like that, right on the Mexico part, that was the mainly highlighted area for Mexico. And then when we go over to Europe, of course, it had Spain as one of the main highlighted, this whole Iberian Peninsula. And what I thought, which I was incorrect on, that it was going to be a lot of this northern Africa area here with like Morocco, Algeria, and other countries that are around here. They were not on there at all. it showed West Africa, and it showed like this central southern part here, which was really fascinating. Like very interested in seeing, you know, how possibly that could linked up, which is really cool. But yeah, worldwide, homie, worldwide. All right, so I'll post the pictures up so you guys can see everything and stuff like that. But other than that, you know, I'll get more info on this, and I'll follow up with another video, and you know, we'll dig in deeper and see what's going on. You know, hopefully I can explore more of this and find some long lost cousins or something like that. You know, so all right, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate that. Y'all have a good one.